Aba WAN-IFRA-Women In News kandi abamaana gabo gari kukwata abakazi abamahanga ga Africa na Uganda abari mu byamakuru babire nibongera kwegesa abakazi abanyamakuru abanya-Uganda abarabire omukwegesa kwabo kandi aba babire bari omuri Kampala aho borekire ngo nibenda kuhangusya amataji gabo bakwatana abakazi hamwe n'abishiki abari mu mirimo endijo etari y'ebyamakuru.
That we now need to bring in an intergenerational dialogue. The next conference we are having, let us make it an intergenerational dialogue where we bring in women who have made it. And we also bring in the young women who have also made it and have a conversation so that we can know how can we move.
We partner with media organizations, industry partners, and individuals to increase gender equality, diversity and inclusion in the media. We do so in the belief that inclusive newsrooms, boardrooms, and content are key to building resilient news organizations.
Barbara Kaija, editor-in-chief wa Vision Group, kandi arikwebembera emikorere y'ekitongole kya WAN-IFRA-Women In News omu Uganda, ashabira abakazi n'abishiki obutera bya mu maisho.
And the others were in. It took a lot of money. These ladies, we actually need to plan for them. They've had to fundraise. To come here to build skills for us, to help us build our professional careers. Please, I beg you, by the mercies of God, do not waste the opportunity.
Barbara aihanangirize abakazi obutekerezo obuhangwa bwabo obw'emyoga mingi eibine kukora nk'obushwere no kureberera abana okubaremesa okayana ombwegese hamwe n'obwebembezi.
By the way, whether you are married or not, the woman takes the nurturing role. There will always be something against you. Please do not allow these worldly differences to stop you from seizing an opportunity. So allow yourselves to be in the right space.
To provide you with skills, building relationships and networking opportunities, mentorship and sharing of knowledge and experiences that help you contribute to make contribution of enduring value.
Susan Nsibirwa orukwebembera ekitongole ky'amakuru kya Nation Media omu Uganda nagira ngu omubaro gw'abakazi abarukurwa mu byamakuru gweyonjire.
So why do women journalists leave? There's the whole work-life balance element, and I think that's where the 0 to 4 years come. That you come into journalism, then you want to start a family, then you're starting a family in your 4th or 5th year, and then of course the long hours, the unpredictable schedules, the domestic roles. Not many people are going to carry babies to go to cover presidential elections. And so it's then obvious then that in order to balance family, that women are going to look for more stable, more predictable schedules with better working hours. 8 to 5, I'm good, I can go home, cook, look after my babies and all that.
Susan ahamizengwa abebembezi bine kureba ngo barwanisa ekyabakazi okugumana baruga omukuhereza okwebyamakuru.
What do I see as my role standing here before you? And one of the things that I see is that I've got to be committed. I've got to be committed to this cause. I've got to be intentional about retention, especially because it's clear that between 0 to 4 years, I'm going to lose half the female journalists that come in. I've got to see how, as leadership, we're going to be intentional about this retention.
Habiriho kuhereza certificate ahari yabo abahendiro kushomesebwa okwaba Women in News abishomori omwaka oguhwire.
Do not move away. She has a double anointing.
Gasha kwa Sara Mubiru.